Yung pag-unfollow, alam ko you're all curious about that. Ito na lang sasabihin ko. Okay, first of all, among my children, Casey is the one that is the most, let's just say she's the opposite of me. Ang lakas ng dugo ng papa niya. Kaya sila magkasundo, they're the same. Sometimes, pag pinapaalalahanan ang isang tao ng amain, anak, kapatid, mommy, merong mga tao na ayaw nilang ganun lang, pagtatampuhan. So, ganun lang yun. And it hurt me, syempre, nung may unfollow. Pero, pamilya kami. This is a family matter. And she's close to her papa now, and that makes me happy because they lost so many years together.